Welcome again to Live in Carolina. This is Craig DeGidio coming to you from a really cool spot right above the Blue Moon gift shops called BrushinUP. When Sherry was looking to paint a few pieces of furniture, she happened to be looking around and came upon this gem of a store and met the incredible owner, Erica Haines. She's going to tell us a little bit about her products and how she came about with the business. So, welcome, Erica.
Thank you. Actually, it's a family-run business. My parents are also a part of the product that we see here. We started off as what we call Stockist. We're Sloan Stockist, which is a paint line that is used for decorative paint, not only for furniture, or indoor, outdoor use. It's used in a multitude of ways. So that's how we started. We were teaching classes, we were painting furniture, we were teaching people how to use the product for their own use at home, and then it just kind of blossomed. We started becoming custom painters, which is a passion of mine. I love painting furniture for people. And it bloomed into a lot of other things. Interior decorating, we do color consults, we work within homes for anything from me going in just picking a color for you and helping you design that, to your window treatments, to we can help gut your kitchen. It's grown into a multifaceted business. What you see within the store here is our custom painting. We sell the paint line here, and also we house it downstairs within Blue Moon to make it easier for everybody.
So tell us a little bit about the process.
It can start as simple as a conversation, you coming in here for 15 minutes, to a demo day that's held on Thursdays typically, to a class, to me going to your house to help you pick those colors, right, to me doing it for you. So the process can be easy if you want to paint. We call it paint like Annie. Annie has a lot of texture to her painting. It's not just the name of a paint line, it is a literal person that you can Google and you can see she's British. The paint itself is made in the UK. Her painting is authentic to what you might see in the UK. Just multi-layers, just multiple colors, and so much creativity to it. But you can do that. You can have a white dresser also.
Sure.
So you have the option of being able to layer the paint, and you have the option of being able to layer the same color of paint multiple times, and then you add wax to it if you want to distress it, and then you can add color waxes to it. It really starts with, what are you envisioning? Do you have a picture of what you might be envisioning? Right. And then we tell you exactly what to do.
That's one of the things that I know we really appreciate coming here, is being able to see a lot of the different pieces of furniture that you've either done for people or that you're in the process of doing, to kind of help brainstorm. And that's one of the things I think you're really great at too, is helping to provide some of that vision and insight for people as they come.
Thank you.
If people wanted to come in and do a class here, is there a charge for that, or do you do and how does that work?
There is. They call depending on what the schedule is that month. It may be, there's not always a set schedule. I like to post them online, or you can call to be able to see exactly what we may be offering that month.
We'd like to thank Erica Haines for telling us a little bit about her store. Check out all of the different works that she has, the different paint supplies that she can turn you on to, and also call, because she loves to communicate with people. The number's going to be down below there, so she would welcome that. And thank you again for having us come out.
I appreciate it.
Yes.
Very much.
So that'll be it for this time. We'll see you next episode.